What's the pettiest thing that ever got you banned from a group chat? I got banned from a group chat for making a joke about blue hair, not to someone, not about anyone specific, just a general, unserious, very mild roast. But apparently, in the gender studies group chat, jokes are hate crimes now. So here's how it started. I was in this group chat for our gender studies seminar, 25 people, all of us traumatized by anyone who didn't get oat milk instead of normal milk in their matcha iced latte. The group was chill at first, mostly people trauma dumping between essays, sending memes about burning down capitalism, and collectively hating the university for existing. Anyway, one day this girl posts a selfie on the bus, clearly upset. Caption says, "Ugh, another man harassed me. This is why I say men should pay a monthly fine just for existing." People start piling on. Men are disgusting. Literally jail. I say kill all men, and I mean it XX. Even the guys in the chat are like, "I'll just go die then, ha ha ha." So I, thinking I'm being funny, reply with, "Damn, what did he say? Did he ask if you dye your hair with printer ink? Because she had bright blue hair, like full-blown anime villain." Dead silence. Then someone replies, "Wow, really?" I hit send on a follow-up. Sorry. Forgot that blue hair brought back trauma now. That's when the group chat exploded. I got, that joke was rooted in misogyny. Why are you bringing up someone's appearance in a conversation about harassment? Then someone else jumps in. "We've done a background check. Your Spotify Wrapped was concerning." Excuse me? They had screenshotted my Wrapped from a month ago, which, yes, had one Joe Rogan episode, a little Kanye, and one episode of Jordan Peterson. Apparently that was enough. They started referring to me as Red Pill Guy. Someone literally said, "You're one Blue Yeti mic away from starting a podcast called Men's Real Feelings." I tried to clarify. I'm literally mixed. I'm bi. I've cried to Lana Del Rey. They go, "That doesn't excuse your microaggressions toward dyed hair culture." I got booted within the hour. No warning, no DM, just gone. And here's the kicker. 2 weeks later, someone else got banned for asking what neopronouns were. Like, genuinely asking. Respectfully, they said it was performative curiosity and labeled it emotional theft. Last I checked, that group had lost 12 members in a month and was down to 4 people, all of whom, I assume, are currently in a group call silently nodding at each other in mutual fear. So yeah, that's how I got canceled for joking about blue hair. Moral of the story, if your group chat has more than 3 people with blue hair and armpit hair, it's not a conversation, it's a firing squad.